I don't think it's perfectionism. I think it's actually vulnerability and being willing to go at such risk that you might make a mistake. But that risk is the reward. And you find so much more at the end of that risk-taking.
It's very satisfying to that inner child when you get curious about an idea and expand it and create it further.
It's about bringing this art into people's lives to lift their spirits, unlock a sense of childlike joy, and celebrate the beauty of imagination.
For me as an artist, it's important to be able to take people to another world.
When you step on stage and you feel the energy from all your colleagues, the audience, the lights, your body almost ceases to exist and you become almost like dust in that air.
I think when you hit that sweet spot of having a flow state in your performance, that's when all the elements have come together.
It's for me what makes this career so special, because it's not just that 3 hours you spend together on stage, it's the many hours you spend in the studio.
Being part of a cast is absolutely vital. For me, the presence of the other people, the play that you get, the interactions, the trust that builds up, the camaraderie. You really are 100% reliant on your colleagues and what they give you and what you give to them.
I think that's a partnership, is being able to be so giving and generous that at the end of the day you know that everything you do, you could have not gone any further.